Rock and roll, man!
The parts for this still haven't turned up. The ignition in a few videos ago broke itself and the car stayed on. If you didn't watch that video, go and watch it, but the parts still aren't here, so it's only right we take the Series 1 today. I have said to myself this year that this car will not be going out in the winter. It will be staying in the garage, and I'll try and do some bits over the winter months. And although it's a nice day today, there's still a bit of dew in the air. You can feel it, so the winter is definitely coming, we know that. So I think at the end of this month, I'm gonna untax this and chuck it in the garage for winter. Take some few things off, steering wheel needs to be done, little bits like that. I think that's the right way to go. Usually I'll be like, oh no, it's fine, don't worry about it, but maybe it's me getting old and I want to preserve cars. Also, again, you know, for old cars, basically, if this goes through another winter, it's going to be even more problems down the line. Anyway, let's go and enjoy it while the sun's out, shall we? Extra problems.
Oh no, maybe not.
Oh no, that's just because it's low.
That's just because it's low.
Yeah, that's a lowered vehicle there. Nothing like driving your car and that's a little rattle.
Well, it's still all on there. It's just that it's actually 100% off, but it's very.
It's 100% still on, which is nice.
Yeah, definitely.
Play us a little song then, mate. I don't know how to play one of these. No, I was going to say you're pretty terrible at that one. Why does that smell so bad? Oh, my face!
I've had a prosthetic foot.
Nice. Fits you well, mate. Give her a rev then. That absolutely stinks. Jesus. Sorry about that, everyone. Ruining the ozone layer with your Land Roverness.
You've ruined my future!
You've ruined my future.
Funberg. You have ruined my future!
Definitely ruined my mouth on that one.
How dare you!
So George, would you like to tell everyone what's happening today? Why is that so heavy?
Because it's
So rude. Oh, look at this. Look at that orange in it. Cool. Cool. Look at all that smoke. It's got a racing turbo on it as well. I didn't know it had an orange turbo. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
baby hybrid.
Oh, what turbo is this for everyone out there?
Enhanced performance. CHRA, it's only the core that's changed.
That gives extra boostings though.
Yeah, billet compressor will.
Ooh.
It definitely makes the TD5 slightly less asthmatic.
Slightly more pokey as well.
Just less asthmatic.
More smoke.
Just wakes up. Just not a little bit quicker. Just not quite as.
I'd also like to point out how ridiculous George's truck looks next to the Series 1 today. This is this high, and then this is this high. So if we go round here and show you how ridiculous this is now. What's this on 38s? 38-inch tyres, ridiculous. But look, you can't even see my car. Like, my roof level is here, basically where this wheel starts on the back of it. That's actually ridiculous. We need to get this off-road though, because this is mad. If you know your off-road stuff, I sort of don't really, but yeah, they look like they could go up anything. We'll test them out soon. Anyway, I'll let you have fun with that large bit of pipe. So the plan is what? Cut this?
Yeah.
Cut this. So it comes out of here instead, and then that goes in there.
Like that.
Like right out the top. Like a big rig. Straight out the top, but it's not the exhaust, it's the air filter.
And then once the part work's done, this plastic airbox will be made out of alley.
Ah,
Top with an induction filter, so
nice.
when off-roading happens, I can see any crap that's in around the air filter.
Yeah, I
and
like
can
that.
Take it out and clean it easily.
I like the idea of this. It also looks cool, doesn't it? Have you got one of these on yours?
No, I haven't.
Why?
Because I don't like going in water.
Oh, I love water.
It's my favourite about this, right? You're going to drop into a big hole of water. That's the first thing you're going to do because you're going to get giddy. You're going to go. You're going to drop in there. You're going to get stuck.
Yeah.
Water's going to piss in for all the rust holes.
Yeah.
Because anybody that says there aren't rust holes in their Land Rover's full of then your seat's going to get wet.
Expanding phone
and you're there
fixes
for a
that.
whole day. We live on an island.
Yeah.
You've got a soggy, wet arse. You smell like wet dog. You've got to go and sit on a ferry for an hour on the way home.
Yeah.
Piss wet through.
I think you're very passionate about water, aren't you?
I've done it, mate.
Do you know I did this one time when I had an ML 500 and I did that?
Drove into a trench.
It died straight away. So that happened. We all remember that very well.
Watching that happen.
And going, ha, what an idiot. And I was like, yeah, let's go. Let's get that zoom in there, mate. Ooh. Are you kissing that? It's even weirder now. Oh, God. And remember, if you would like to get 10% off your next Auto Silicon Hoses purchase, use code JAMEFYD10. Link is in the description.
Eventually.
There is a massive spider in this headlight. You see it? Right there. Massive spider inside the headlight. Just chilling. Oh, what? Comfort? I'll have some comfort. Let's go. Nice. Oh, I'll lie down now. That'd be nice. Ooh, this is nice, isn't it?
G'day, mate.
Oh, why is that falling off?
Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
Look at this.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
The indicator lens fell out.
What are you doing to me? I'm going to have to get a 24-hour flight now. Can I help you out?
What is happening here?
We'll glue that back in.
Yeah, we'll glue that back in. Oh, that'll be the screw that's just fallen out.
A screw.
The screw. The screw.
Do you unplug any of them?
Nope. Lovely. Yeah, that's horrendous. Look at that.
Can we just...
Let's just have a look at this. What is that? What is happening?
Got a little fan in there. Look.
Yeah, nice. HID.
No, it's LED.
LED. Not HID. LED.
LED. Well,
HID LED.
technically that's not an LED. That is called an SMD.
Oh wow.
It's a surface-mounted diode.
Oh, not HID or a LED.
Or a cob. Some people call them.
Okay. Well, it's
You know what I'm
screwed
gonna do
into the
with
back of that. Put that in the bin, mate. That's one over there. Yeah, I'd put that in the bin too. There you go. Perfect. Oh, a little line jobby in there today. Look at that. Love it. Right, that one's out, and the indicator thing's fallen out again. This side. Love it. Don't need indicators when you're going sideways anyway, do you?
Yeah. So, do you want me to give you a quick show on how to get that wing off?
Yeah. Okay, I'll stop doing this then, so I'll just move out of the way.
Unplug that.
Yeah. Well, I'll stop getting all technical about it then, shall I? Very loud in here today, it's having a great time. I'll just undo this box, shall I? Rock and roll, man! Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Fucking batteries. Snap on.
Yeah, you
Snap
tell
on.
them, that's it.
Snap on UK, USA.
Someone can sort your batteries out. I was just like stood here saying, oh, the bolt's seized in the bottom of this side, and yeah, you had a tool that could get it out a lot faster than the seized bolt, so here we are. And the battery died, so that's that. Woo! Rock and roll, yeah. That was the new wing as well. Get that out of here, we don't need it. Where we're going, we don't need that.